Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you how to catch a canary with a cage. This cage has two parts. This part of this cage houses canaries. This other part of this cage is a trap for catching canaries. So I'm going to show you how to catch a canary this morning. This is a very big cage, and this cage has two compartments. It has two parts. This is the first part of this big cage. This part houses a canary. This part of this big cage is a trap for catching a canary. So we are going to show you how to catch a canary. Continue, sir. The first step is that